In this episode, I'm going to be building my first drift trike. I want this to be a pocket drift trike that's light and hopefully will fit in my small 4-door car. Another goal is to not have to do a bunch of welding to make it more universal. The base bike we're going to be using is this Razor mini chopper I picked up on Marketplace for 70 bucks. It was in non-working condition, but I did get the batteries from the seller and was able to wire it up correctly and resell the 24 volt motor off it and got my 70 bucks back. I'm going to talk through some of my thought process during the build to help explain things, so I hope you guys can rate this video for me, and if you have the time, leave a comment. I still had the China motor sitting around where we did every performance upgrade you can do to it, so let's throw it into this build for reasons that it's light and should be enough power. That motor should actually fit perfect right here, so I went ahead and made this wooden spacer and dremeled out a spot for the 50cc KTM carb to rest in it so it won't rotate all around like they seem to always love to do. And before I even started this build, I had a plan to do a more unique exhaust system on it, so let's chop up this seat bracket just a little bit to hopefully make it fit later on. Alright, so next I went ahead and picked up a second Razor for 60 bucks on Marketplace again, so I can use the wheels and possibly do a front end swap as well. I went this route because the wheels are plastic, so they're super light, and drift trikes have PVC over the tires anyways, so it's the same thing, right? Plus this saves us tons of money from buying a go-kart axle setup and wheels. Now I'm going to be trying something a little bit different and bolting my sprocket to this 6x6 piece of plexiglass, reinforced with some steel plates here. If I need to make this beefier later on, it should be really easy to do.
hours later.
It's still a little bit of a work in progress, but I've been having a lot of fun with it so far. A few things I know I want to do is install this brake kit on the opposite wheel in the back so that I have an actual e-brake, because right now I only have the pedal bike style front brake. So if I add that second brake, I can go around turns and just rip that thing and get some good natural drifts that way. Another thing I know I need to do is get a bigger chain roller on the tensioner I made, because that one right now is made for the tiny stock pocket bike chains. Another thing I want to do is put wider foot pegs on it, because when I'm sitting on it so narrow right now, I can actually feel that it wants to grip the road a lot more. So next episode on it, I'm going to work out those small issues, and after that, probably give the Trike a fresh paint job. So I hope you guys can give me a like for what I've got so far here, and I do pretty much read all the comments, but thank you for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.